Hey y'all, I kind of was just chilling out tonight and didn't want to show this entire process, but we're doing cod fillets. I pretty much just mix together a bowl of flour and then egg. I mix the egg up, put it in the flour after I clean the fish, put it in the egg, put it back in the flour, throw it in this cast iron skillet with coconut oil, cook it up. I've actually been seasoning it with this mixed up salt shit. And then while that's going, I'm boiling the water, and I actually boil the water for mac and cheese in a smaller pot because it boils faster, or a flatter one, I mean, an actual pan. And while that's going, I cook. I'm gonna turn this off now, but I cook. I have butter heated up in there, and then I put half an onion in, and then I put frozen green beans on top of that. And that makes this kind of meal. So yeah, so that's it. It's one of my favorite meals and kind of a quick and easy comfort food, homesick type of meal, you know, when you don't want to go to Long John Silver's.